So today I have the key to the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia in the limited trim, but this will pretty much work for every key fob that looks like this. So what we're going to do is replace the battery in this key fob should it go bad. So grab your key fob like I have here, locate the side that says Toyota Crown, and you see this little slidey spot with an arrow. So you're going to slide it in the direction that arrow is pointed, and what that's going to do is release the manual key that is located in the spot where it kind of connects to your key ring. So slide that down and pull on this. Now hold on to this manual key, because you can see it kind of has this little bezeled edge, and what you're going to do is put it in the center like this. Let me flip it around to give you a better view. Like that, and you're going to twist up or down once you get it. You'll know when you have it, because it's like the perfect spot to sit it in there, right in the center. You're going to twist up or down, and it's going to release the clamshell of the two plastic pieces together. Now you can put your manual key down, and you're going to split this in half, and there is the circuit board side. I recommend once you split it in half, you put the button side down and just pull up on the side that says Toyota Crown, because what that's going to do is immediately reveal the battery right here. So it is a Panasonic CR2450 battery. I'm going to put a link in the description, which will get you the cheapest spot where you can buy these batteries, and you can buy a few of them. Spoiler alert, it's an Amazon link. So use that link and get you a battery really fast, really cheap. Pop this thing out. You can use that key fob, just stick it right here and pop it out, screwdriver, whatever, just pop it out. When you put your new battery in, try not to put your fingers on the side opposite the writing, because the oils on your fingers will break down the battery a lot faster, and you will be watching this video faster than you would like to do it again if you forget how to do it. And that really only helps me, because, you know, I'll get some clicks on the video, but really I just want to help you one time to, you know, save you a trip to the dealer. Your results may vary. I hear people saying that they just go to the dealer, which is also a drive away from their house, and a dealer would do this for free. And I also hear the horror stories where the dealers will charge you an hour's worth of labor to replace the battery in your key fob. So I'm just making this video just save you money where I can. So once you swap that battery out, you're going to clamshell everything back together. I always joke, when you're doing it, be sure to not put your finger anywhere near the red button right there, which will kind of scare you or your neighbors if they're, you know, in distance of your vehicle while you're doing this. Clamshell it back. You heard those clicks, knowing everything is there. Take your manual key, slide it back in. You hear that last click, and you are done. You do not need to recode this key to your vehicle or anything crazy like that. If a dealer is trying to tell you that, and that's why they need the hours worth of labor, just go somewhere else. And please comment below the dealer that tried to scam you, so others can know that. There's no coding that needs to be done. You're simply replacing the battery in it because it went bad. The key still knows what car it goes to. But I hope this video showed you a quick, easy way to replace the battery in this key fob should it go bad. Like I said, please use the link in the description for the cheapest spot to get these batteries. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, because every little bit helps. Thanks for watching.